Electric vehicle tires are a crucial component of an EV's overall performance and safety. They play a vital role in ensuring a smooth ride and reliable handling on the road. Electric vehicles come with their own set of challenges, such as increased weight due to the heavy battery packs and instant torque from the electric motors. This extra weight and torque put additional stress on the tires, which can lead to reduced traction, uneven wear, and decreased overall performance. The instant torque also means that the tires need to be able to handle sudden acceleration, which can be tough on them. As a result, EV manufacturers need to carefully select or design tires that can handle these unique demands, which can impact the vehicle's overall efficiency and range, especially on the front wheels, due to more frequent braking. To address this, some manufacturers use specialized tire compounds designed to withstand regenerative braking demands. Furthermore, regenerative braking in EVs can cause uneven tire wear. Development of specialized tires that are designed to handle their specific needs. For example, some EV tires feature special tread patterns that are optimized for low rolling resistance, which can help improve the vehicle's range and efficiency. Others have reinforced sidewalls that can handle the increased weight and stress of the EV's battery packs and electric motors. These specialized tires also often feature eco-friendly materials that are designed to reduce waste and minimize environmental impact. Some EV tire manufacturers are using sustainable materials to reduce their carbon footprint. The right tires can make a huge difference in an electric vehicle's performance, range, and overall driving experience. A good set of EV tires can provide improved traction, reduced energy consumption, and enhanced handling. This is because the tires are able to maintain optimal contact with the road, which enables the vehicle to accelerate, brake, and corner more efficiently. In fact, some studies have shown that the right tires can improve an electric vehicle's range by up to 10%. This is a significant improvement, especially for drivers who rely on their vehicles for long trips. By choosing the right tires, EV owners can enjoy a more efficient, safe, and enjoyable driving experience. The benefits of choosing the right tires for electric vehicles are clear. Not only can they improve the vehicle's performance and range, but they can also enhance safety and reduce environmental impact. As the EV market continues to grow, it's essential for drivers to understand the importance of selecting the right tires for their vehicles. So, what do you think? Have you had any experiences with electric vehicle tires that you'd like to share? Let me know in comments below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Your support will truly be appreciated.